na dumating sa kinamami ng Daddy at sa amo nila.
To the night, and also bless the work of thy hands. We bring back all the glory and honor to your Son, Jesus Christ.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Go!
Happy birthday, Angeline!
Asan si Mami? Is letter L. Mahirap.
AJ is the princess of UCC whenever she comes to visit the Philippines. We know how you love her, and also for the Titos and Tinas from Imperial. Everyone is witness of how we started, and now that 1 year na siya, thank you so much for being there for us. And may you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Even though we are a little bit crowded, but thank you for your patience and understanding. And yet, I really appreciate your efforts, your gifts, your being with us, celebrating the first birthday of our one and only daughter. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget. Thank you so much. Enjoy the night. Have some beer. Enjoy. We can stay until tomorrow morning. The place is available. Let's get drunk and enjoy.
Grabe ka naman!
Pasensya sa may mga duty.
Stammi più vicino, se ci sto bene sarà perché ti amo. E vola, vola si sa, sempre più in alto si va. E vola, vola con me,